Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, we'll be talking about reviewing the digital marketing course, The Secret Sauce. What's in it for you, what you can learn, and how you can become an affiliate and make 80% commission. So, if you like content like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop new videos daily. So here is the interface of the Secret Sauce course. If you have any questions or you want access to this course, the link will be in the description. This course has a community page. You can always write in this community, which is great for new beginners because you always have support. There's a pep talk post, content banks, ghosted after call to action. Um, there's you can post your own questions in the group and get immediate responses, which is great. And this course teaches you how to set up your Instagram and sell on Instagram and what to post and what to put in your captions and what to use as hashtags. So it's a great beginner friendly course. So we'll get into the course content. Let's go over to the classroom. Like you can write whatever you want here. And the um the course creator will respond. So, and as well as other members. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of this course. If you can watch 5 to 10 minute videos, guys, YouTube style, and implement what you're learning, you'll be able to succeed with this course. Now, what I'm going to tell you is this is all about Instagram. If you want to blow up your Instagram, a brand new Instagram, and learn how to sell, this is the course for you. So you do the welcome module. It teaches you how to set up your affiliate link. And in here, I'm going to go in here for a second. You can use StanStore or Beacons. Okay. Or you could sell on system.io as well. Okay. You make 80% commission on this course. You also want to do the mindset module because in this journey of digital marketing, you have to change your mindset. You might not get a sale until 2 months down the road or 3 months down the road. Your sale might come in 24 hours. You have to change your mindset to keep building content, posting every single day, reaching people, knowing that one day your content is going to help people. Here's your Instagram basics module, your branding module, your building trust module. You want to build trust with the people you're selling for. This is why I do these YouTube videos, to give you guys a step-by-step and honest reviews of the products that I promote. Here's how to hack engagement. It's very important that you realize that comments, likes, shares, follows, they don't equal sales. You could have a silent buyer that goes onto your video or your reel and purchases your product from your description. Okay. Speaking to your ideal customer. This is perfect for people that want to speak to their ideal customer and to figure out who that is. For me, it's people that want to pay off debt. It's people that want to go on vacation, retire your fiance or your husband or your wife. Okay. How to do Instagram faceless. How to sell on your Instagram stories. This is very important because Instagram Reels get you eyes on your Instagram page. Sales happen in your story. Okay. Story posting basics, the sales psychology behind it, the power of energy in sales. You attract people, you nurture them, and then they convert. The T's to sell. Okay. how you use lead magnets, like the free digital marketing guide I have in my description. The reason you want to lead with a lead magnet is you want to give something away for free. You want to be able to give something away and not always want to be sell, sell, sell. Okay? That's why I'm doing this review video, to help people decide if they want to use Instagram and that the secret sauce is that product for you. It's a great product. And you can use it to build story sequences, your lead magnet, to help people decide to buy with you, how to build trust in the trust building ecosystem. You want to build trust with your customers. You always want to build trust. That's why you give something away for free, because you're not always sell, sell, sell. You want to educate them as well. Keeping the momentum after the sale. They always say that the first sale is the hardest, but you need to keep that momentum up after you get your first sale, because you want to keep getting sales. Buying triggers, it teaches you. If you want to start a threads page, if you're turning skeptics into buyers, guys, you can do this. If you can post on social media, you can do this. If you can post every single day to your target audience and learn to help people. It's not always about the sale, but it's always what's in it for them. How to grow. Our Sales Genie. This is AI geared towards selling, okay? What scripts you use in your direct messages when somebody messages you. Your content and your story challenges. Your hooks and your captions. This is your PLR library. What is a PLR library? Okay? This is something you can go on and you can take this, because you've bought this course and you have access to all these private label right courses, and you can get them, download them, rebrand them, and then sell them for your own, which is amazing, because on PLR products, you get 100% of the profit. Okay? So then it tells you how to market it, how to do a stand store template, how to scale your business. Okay? This is a complete walkthrough course of your Instagram hacks to sell on Instagram. It's called the secret sauce. If you want this product, if you want to be able to dominate sales on Instagram, you want this product. I have never seen anybody selling this product. This product is $187 and you make 80% commission. So if you guys want to dominate Instagram and learn how to sell on Instagram, then this course is for you. If you want to learn how to build and dominate digital marketing, if you're just a beginner, this is a great course for you. I do have other videos and on my channel that talk about other things, but today we're just doing the review of the secret sauce. If this product seems good for you and you want to join and you want to start your Instagram journey and learn all about Instagram and how to sell on Instagram and start your digital marketing journey, this course is completely geared toward just Instagram. Okay? It gives you everything you need to know about Instagram. So if that interests you, please go click the link in my bio, sign up. Also, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I drop new videos. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you decide to sign up with the link in my description, because I'll be coming out with another video shortly. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.